It was pretty hot out there today, folks. Chris is watching a few showers, trying to move closer to us. Let's bring back in the chief, Chris Holcomb. So, Chris, will those showers make it here?
Yeah, probably not into the metro area. There might be one or two drops. The system that we're watching is really not that impressive at all. The moisture is very limited with it. And I want to show you a couple of cameras where we did see some green showing up on radar with a few raindrops. This is in Blue Ridge. Roads looking pretty dry right now. We had just a few raindrops there in far north Georgia a little bit earlier. Also in Rome, you can see some of the darker clouds where in parts of north Georgia we have had just a couple of light showers, but nothing really on the downtown area of Rome right now. Take a look at radar. This is what we're watching. Here in Atlanta, we have some clouds around, but we don't have any rain here. If you go up 75 to the north and west, you can see just a couple of showers here into the northern parts of Cobb County, moving into Cherokee County, parts of Bartow County, northern parts of Paulding County. Again, not a lot of rain. This is really just a few raindrops. In fact, not all of that is reaching the ground. A few other areas that we're watching in far north Georgia with just a couple of spots of light rain here. Again, very impressive and a limited amount of moisture with this system that's moving through. Where it is more impressive is out to the west and parts of Mississippi. We've got some severe thunderstorm warnings there. Some of those showers and storms extending up into Tennessee and some of that moving into northwestern Alabama. But that part's not really going to make it here. Most of us will stay dry tonight. There's just that low risk for a shower. In fact, you can see that storm risk a little higher, level 2 risk there out to the west of us, but even the level 1 risk. Earlier, the Storm Prediction Center was showing this extending into northwest Georgia. They've now taken that out and kept it to the north and west of us. Tomorrow, there is another low risk for a couple of showers at only 20%. I really think the better chance for those showers will be to the south and also to the east of us. And even that is a low risk that some of those could turn strong. Lee became a hurricane today with the 5 o'clock update just a little while ago. It was classified as a hurricane. We're going to be talking about this for a long time because it's way out there. And this storm is really going to be getting stronger, faster, most likely becoming at least a Category 4 storm. But the last plot on this map takes us into next Monday. So that shows you how far away it is and how long we're going to be talking about this. The extended models are showing, though, a bit of a curve as it gets closer to the United States. Now, again, that's about a week and a half out. So anything can happen between then and now. So we're hoping that curve will happen to go away from the coast of the United States and so far keeping it away from the islands as well. So you can see the cloud cover we have in our area tonight. Rain chance on the low end in the morning, 20% chance for a little shower there. In the afternoon, that rain chance is mainly to the south and east of us. That northwest flow, though, trying to bring in some slightly cooler air and slightly drier air. Friday looking pretty good, mostly sunny with a high of 90. And then for the weekend, we're going back to a 20% chance for a shower with enough moisture here to give us maybe just an isolated shower around with highs in the 80s. Low rain risk on Monday. Rain chances coming up, though, on Tuesday at 30%, 40% chance for showers Wednesday, bringing the temperatures back down to the mid 80s.